How to electronically sign a PDF. Hello everyone, this is Lucy. So let's get started without any delay. You need to open your Adobe Acrobat. It's an app for all the PDFs. Now you just need to go to one of the PDF that you want to sign in. Now here what you need to do is that go to the menu and click on Preferences from this drop down menu. From here, you need to click on Signatures from the categories and you'll be taken to this page. Now, here you need to click on More and Identities and Trusted Certificates. Click on More and you'll be taken to another dialog box. Here you will see the IDs that you have created. Now, if you want to create a new one, you can just simply click on this icon and select a new digital ID I want to create now. Next, then click on new PKCS, then next, and you just write your name, your organization unit, organization name, your email address, and just click on next and apply. Now, after you click on next, you will be taken to this page. You will be taken here. You just need to create a password for your digital ID and you need to confirm it again. So after that, you need to click on finish and you're done. So there is another method. You need to go to the same location, menu, preferences, signatures, and at the top you will see creation appearance. You need to click on more. Here at the bottom you will see appearances. Click on new and here type your name and okay, you will be creating a new appearance. You need to click on okay and you're done. So the last method is to go to all tools tab and select fill and sign. So here you need to add signature or add initials, either one. You can select any one. So here you need to type your name and you can also change its style. In the screen you can see all the available styles. So I like this one. If you want to save the signature, select this option and apply. So you have this signature in your cursor. You just need to tap on the place you want your signature in and you're done. If you don't like where your signature is, you can edit it as well. And these are some methods you can use in order to create your electronic signature from Adobe Acrobat. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.